Relax, Shadow. Shadow, relax. Shadow, stop.
Where'd you get these? Where'd you get these?
Negativity can be like an addiction. Heal it by being positive and feed your mind good and optimistic thoughts only.
You unzip, you go to the urinal, and you touch yourself.
It's been a year, Dad.
Green or
Whoa, what the hell? Bro, look at this goofy old phone. What the?
Remarkable.
Oh no. How will we ever get back to Bikini Bottom now?
I can take you there.
And give me some additional information, okay, that maybe clarifies and gives a number for your response.
No. What the fuck, bro? Oh my god, it's Super Mario. Super Mario, bro. Hey, Super Mario. Oh my god, man. Super Mario, man. Are you, man? Oh my god, man. Mario Kart, man. This guy.
Oh my god, focus. Focus. Only your expectations can slow you down. What the?
Peter, are you in airplane mode again? You can fly around like.
No, stop! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details. I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
No.
just looking for the sports channel, Gary.
This is the ultimate meme. The moth and the lamp. Like, what the heck is this? Like, come on. Come on, Epic. What, are you making memes now? It's funny as frick.
Call Saul. Hi, I'm Saul Goodman. Did you know that you have rights? The Constitution says you do, and so do I.
Have you ever wondered what it's like to wake up in paradise? Well, this is it. Living and traveling in a van is the pure essence of freedom. And being able to change your view on them like this is pure freedom, pure happiness, pure bliss.
That is SoCap, Junior. I just pulled your IP. I've got it right now.
No, you don't. Huh. Say
Albuquerque, New Mexico. Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's where you're from.
That's not... Hey!
Oh, I just pulled your IP. 308 Negra Aurora Lane, Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's you, isn't it?
No.
I'm on Google Earth right now. I see a pizza on your roof.
That's my grandma's house. Nice try.
No, what? So you're playing at your grandmother's house? You're a loser. Don't even joke to me. You're a loser.